Hi, I'm Simon and today we're coming at you from the back streets of Hoi An in central Vietnam. Absolutely gorgeous little city. We're here to see what food we can discover and find out what they're cooking on charcoal or over open flame. And we'll have a look at some of the other dishes as well that are famous from the city. It's going to be a good one. So Hoi An's been on the radar for some time. It's a amazing, gorgeous little fishing town, or an ex-fishing town, and one of the early trading ports. It's a big Chinese influence here, and just a beautiful little city. We'll have a bit of a look around there this afternoon or tomorrow. We'll see what we can find food-wise. Just coming up in our accommodation now. Gorgeous little homestay in the back streets. Here it is. Fantastic little spot. It's got a great pool and awesome hosts here as well, and the rooms are pretty lush. Okay, so the food's just arrived. We've got these pork skewers. Lene and I have tried these before and they're actually really good. The sauces were nice as well, and the meat wasn't tough. It was nice and tender and juicy. This cow lao we've never had before. We shared that bowl. It's all about the texture of the noodles, and they were really bouncy and amazing. But yeah, not too bad. Both of these meals were good.
I'll just move this one out the door. Oh. Ta-da. Oh.
Wow, that's a bit different.
This is steaming hot.
Very different.
Yeah.
All right. Unfortunately here with the stingray, it was all mashed up. It wasn't like a wing or a fillet, and it was full of all this cartilage, which was a bit disappointing. So yeah, not a win for the stingray, but everything else was pretty good. That's the name of the place. Nguyen Chuyen.
Hồi giỏi chị.
This is the proper setup on the bike.
Hello.
Oh no, it's okay now. Oh, here, hun, grab these, mate. How much those?
40.
Come on. Thank you. Good job, there it is. Bola Lut. Or Bola Lot. So that over the says Bola Lot.
Bola Lot.
Lot.
Bola Lot.
Yeah, Bola Lot. Yeah. So there's all these awesome little alleys you can explore. Out the back, this section of the old town, you're not allowed to actually drive cars in. It's only scooters or push bikes or people on foot. So yeah, it's a pretty amazing, great little spot. Compared to the night time though, the morning is the time to explore. It's not too hot. Night time, the joint is absolutely packed with tourists, and it was pretty horrible, as you'll see in the footage we took last night. But I just wanted to give you a good impression first, because it is really nice. But yeah, morning's the time. Night time is horrible. It looks pretty with the lanterns, but you can't move and you can't hear yourself think. It's crazy. And here is the busy market. Looks good. This fresh fruit and veg is amazing. It smells really good, and there's stacks of locals doing their shopping here, which is great. It's not set up as there's some touristy stuff and some bits and pieces for tourists to buy, but most of it's for locals to do their shopping, which is fantastic. Proper market, not just a tourist setup thing. So yeah, really good. Look at the size of these corn cobs. At least Lena's easy to find, towering over the locals. Yeah. Look at this lady here. Shopping done. Scooter absolutely rammed. Looks like there's eggplants on the menu today. I'll tell you what, if you're a chef and you walk down here every morning, you'd get so much inspiration. This food looks so good and it's so fresh. The prawns, the squid, all the seafood, even the pork look really good. And the veg, that's next level, man. This is a fantastic little market. So just down behind the market is the waterfront, and that's the main reason the town's here. There was a trading port hundreds of years ago. Oh, almost getting run over. Yeah, it was a trading port hundreds of years ago, and lots of Chinese traders came here, so that's why the place is generally Chinese styled, and there's still a large Chinese Vietnamese population here, and probably why there's 100,000 Chinese rock up on buses every afternoon to pack the thing out at night and just jam it. So yeah, but in the morning, light breeze, it's probably 23, 24 degrees, it's absolutely fabulous. And that's the time you want to get down here, nice and early in the morning. Have a great day and a nice morning walk around here. Get yourself a fresh Bahn Mi, a couple of coffees, and you're on your way. Looks like Lena's been roped into doing a bit of a hand with some kids with some English lessons. Good on her. So yeah, Lena's getting interviewed by one of these kids so they can learn some English skills, which is pretty good. So Lena and I have just picked up our first cold Bahn Mi. We've been here for a week. This is the first cold one we've had. We've had a few hot ones, the barbecue ones, they're awesome. So yeah, this is from the Bahn Mi Queen. It's supposed to be the best Bahn Mi's in Hoi An. I don't know, man, it's probably just an Instagram thing, but we'll give it a run, see what it's like. This is a mixed one, so it's got egg and pate, chicken and pork on it. Bit of chilli. Good. Don't speak with your mouth full, young lady.
Sorry, Dad.
Good on you.
The bread.
Oh. That bread is actually bloody delicious. Alright, let's make this one. Oh,